Now we are going to see how to generate a list from an array. Suppose we have an array of student names. We want to display the names as an ordered list. How we can do that? We can fetch the items from the array and add it to the ordered list. So we are going to see how we can do that. So for that, let me first add a heading and let it be students. Next, I am going to add an ordered list with ID, names. So we will add the items to this ordered list. Now, within this, we need to write the document.ready event. So $document.ready. Within this function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces, and we need to write our code here. So we have already seen that it is good to cache the selectors for better performance. So let me cache the selector, that is name selector, where names equals $names. So this is the ID selector. Now we need to have an array of names. Okay, so let me create an array named students equals, let me add some names, John Smith, comma, Aaron White, comma, Hannah Taylor, comma, Sarah Wilson, and finally Aidan Thomas. So I have created an array with 5 names. Okay, here there is an error. It should be H1, H2 or something like that. Let me make it H2. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to fetch the items from this array to generate the items in this list. So how we can do that? I'm going to use the each method. So here $.each, this is the method, and I want to access the items from the students array, isn't it? So first we need to pass the name of the array. Next function, I want to get the value of each item. So here we need to pass index and value, index comma value. And what we need to do, we need to append the items to the ordered list with ID names. So we have already cached the selector using names variable. So we can access it just using names. Then I want to add the items to the ordered list, right? So I'm going to use the method append. We have methods like append, prepend, after and before. So as I want to add the items as the child elements of this ordered list, I'm using the method append. Next, what I need to add? I need to add li, that is list items. So dollar within brackets, first I need to add the opening li tag. Then what should I add? I need to add the value. Then I should have the closing li tag as well. Okay, so this will fetch each item from the students array because we are using the each method. So it will fetch each item from the students array, and we are using the append method to append the items to this ordered list. And as we have to add the items as list items, we are using the opening li tag, then plus value means each value. This index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and values will be John Smith, Aaron White, Hannah Taylor, etc. Then we need to close the li tag. So now let's see how we get the output. See, here we are getting the items as an ordered list. Suppose we want to get the items as an unordered list, what we need to do? We can just change this to UL for unordered list. OL is for ordered list. So refresh. See, instead of numbers, we are getting bullet points. So here we have seen how to generate a list from an array using jQuery. It is so simple, right? We just have to have the array and we need to use the each method to fetch the items from the array, and we also use the append method to add the items to our ordered list by specifying the li value and li. Suppose instead of this value, if I specify index, what will happen? We will just see 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Let's see that. Refresh. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because those are the index of these items. So we need to have the values itself. So this way you can generate a list using items from the array.